Hey everybody, today I want to show you how you can make money on Clickbank without a website. Most people think to make money online, you need to create your own products and then build a website to sell them. Well, the method I'm going to show you today doesn't require you to create your own products, build your own website, or even handle any customer service, shipping, or returns. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's a method I've been using for some time now, and I've generated quite a bit of money. With affiliate marketing, someone else creates a product, builds a website, handles all the shipping and customer service, and your job is simply to send people to that website using a special link. If someone uses your link to buy a product, you get paid. It's that simple, and it's probably the best way I know right now to make money online if you're a complete beginner and you're starting from scratch. But listen, if it were that easy, everyone would be doing it and everyone would be a millionaire. You have to know how to do this method the right way. So stick around because I'm going to show you a case study of how you can find an awesome product to promote that can generate income every month, all while building a long-term online business for you. But before that, if you're new here, I want to welcome you to this channel. Our goal is to provide you with the best content to make money on the internet, especially if you're a beginner. And whenever someone asks me what my favorite method is to make money online, I always tell them affiliate marketing. Why? Because affiliate marketing, you don't need to create your own products, services, or courses. You're simply promoting someone else's programs and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. It's the best method I know to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I created this channel where I can release new strategies and give them to you absolutely free. So be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so you'll be the first to know whenever a new strategy is live. All right, let's get into it. Step one, the first thing we need to do is find a product to promote. I use a website called Clickbank, which is a marketplace that shows me dozens and dozens of high quality offers that I can promote and make a commission on. The best part is if you create an account on their website and just hit the search button, you'll see all of the top converting offers that are working right now. One that I found is a product called Yoga Burn, which helps people lose weight and get in shape using yoga. And right now, people promoting this offer are making an average of $147 per sale. So if you sell one of those a day, you're going to be making thousands every month. So let's use this offer as a case study for now and move on to the next step. Step two, now that you've got your offer, you're going to build an affiliate funnel. I use a software called ClickFunnels, which allows you to quickly build these affiliate funnels out. In fact, my team built one just for this funnel, and I'll include a link in the description where you can get it for free and use it to promote Yoga Burn or any other fitness offer. But here's a quick breakdown of how an affiliate funnel works. Typically, there's only two parts. First, there's a landing page where you invite someone to give you their email address in exchange for a free gift. You'll see why gathering these email addresses and building a list is so important later. But for now, just know this page is designed to build your email list. Now, sometimes you have to create this free gift ourselves, but on this funnel, the actual sales page on Yoga Burn is so informative. We just told people what you'll earn by watching the video on the sales page and use that as a way to get them to give us their email address. Second, you're going to build a thank you page. The whole purpose of this page is to get them to click on your affiliate link so that if they do buy a Yoga Burn, you get a commission for that sale. Because all you want them to do is click the link, this thank you page can be super simple. So now that we have our offer, we have our affiliate funnel built, it's time to move on to step 3. Promote additional offers through email marketing. Promote a yoga burn is a great way to make some extra cash. But if you're really looking for a way to turn this into a full-time income stream and make some serious money online, the way to do that is to continue promoting offers and products to your list. These additional offers can be training, programs, or courses that help them get better at yoga, or supplies that they need like mats or workout equipment. Or they can be additional programs to help them lose weight. The beauty of this strategy is once you own your list, you'll be able to send out additional content and promotions without having to acquire new customers each and every time. Now, I won't sugarcoat this. To truly be successful with this method, you're going to need a fully fledged funnel built out, an email autoresponder and great email copy to sell your offers, and additional offers that are high converting and already proven to work. Not to mention strategies for getting traffic through paid ads or organic. You can certainly build all of this out yourself, or you can do what I did, which was partner with someone who already did. I recently partnered with an 8-figure entrepreneur who allowed me to plug myself into his $50 million digital empire using his funnel, his emails, his ads, and even his favorite offers to promote. This way, I have an incredible head start when I'm trying to build out a business for myself. The best part, you can literally get started with just a few dollars. Don't believe me? Check out the link in my description to see for yourself. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll be notified immediately when we release a new video like this one. Then click the like button and leave me a comment. Thanks. See you soon. Bye-bye.